Alright guys, welcome to Fix It Felix. Today we're working on this Toyota Prius. We're trying to remove this dent. Now I'm gonna show you a way on how to do it using a heat gun. It's really simple. So now what we're going to do is just unclip the bumper so we can have access from behind. So what we're going to do is try to remove this black cover, which is right here, and then unscrew that bolt right there, this one right here, and should be another one down there. I'll see if I can show it to you guys later. So we're gonna pull the bumper out, use the heat gun to hit this area, and then just push it. So all right, let me just remove this part first. All right, using a Phillips screwdriver, you can remove this one right here. You can also use a socket. I'm guessing that's a 10mm socket. I'm just gonna use the Phillips screwdriver. Oops, I'll get that later. Okay, so now just pull the plastic out. Oh, let me see. Okay, there's another one that we have to remove right here. Got the 10mm socket. Now we're gonna try to remove this part. Okay, bumper's loose. There. You can just pull it out. And it's pretty much the same thing if it's on the back bumper. So that's the dent right there. This part right here. Let me show you this part right here. So we're gonna hit this part up. All right guys, this is the tricky part. So while you're using the heat gun, which by the way it's pretty cheap, you can buy one really cheap. I'm gonna put a link down below where you can buy it. Okay, this is the tricky part. While you're using the heat gun, don't just hold the heat gun like this. You always have to keep moving it, because if you keep holding it in one place, you're gonna burn the paint and it's gonna drip out. Basically what you have to do is just this movement like this, slowly. And once you think that the bumper is really warm enough, you can just put, like, maybe use your, like, a towel or something and try to push it from behind. So let's do it right now. All right, now I feel it's warmed enough, so I'm just gonna put this behind, try to push. There. So much better than what it was. There, I mean, it doesn't look excellent, but like I said before, it's way better than what it was. And of course, I'm gonna put this right now. So I'm gonna put this back and record again to see a before and after. All right guys, there, this is how it looks now. So I really hope this video helped you. Maybe if you do it in your car, it's gonna look better. This accident that we had on this bumper was really bad compared to other ones. So maybe if you do it on yours, it's gonna look way better. I mean, like I said, you can also do it on the back bumper, and it's really simple. Like I said, this heat gun is really cheap. Like I said before, I'm gonna put a link down below where you can buy one. And I hope this video helped you in any way. If it did, please leave a like, comment, subscribe for more. Let me know down below what you think, and let me know if you need help repairing other cars, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching. As always, peace.